Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fudge bar cake. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need butter, sugar, eggs, flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder for the cake. Don't forget vanilla extract and milk. For the rich fudge topping, have chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk on hand. Make sure your 9x 13-inch baking pan is ready to go. Now, let's bake the cake layer. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9x 13-inch pan. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 1 3/4 cups flour, 1/2 cup cocoa, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. In another, cream 1 cup butter with 2 cups sugar, then beat in 4 eggs and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Gradually combine wet and dry, alternating with 1 cup milk. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Next, we'll create that irresistible fudge topping. In a saucepan, melt 12 ounces of chocolate chips with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk over low heat. Stir continuously until smooth. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue cooking and stirring until the mixture thickens slightly. Remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes before applying. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious fudge bar cake. Make sure your cake layer is completely cooled before you begin. Evenly spread the warm fudge topping over the entire cake. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle on some chopped nuts or colorful sprinkles. Chill the cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow the fudge to set perfectly. Then, simply cut into bars and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.